Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So do subscribe this channel guys. I will be providing quality content about different cryptocurrencies and I will be sharing different technical analysis of different coins. So please do subscribe this channel and also like this video, because each and every like and subscribers is very much important. It will be a boost for us to work hard and contribute more towards this crypto world. So first of all, and today we are going to see a most important project in Polkadot ecosystem, and it's one of the important project and they are delivering lots of things. So we are going to see that one. As usual, we'll be starting with Bitcoin price technical analysis, then we will be going to that project. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can start with the market analysis in CoinGecko. If we see the top 10 coins during the past 24 hours, we have Bitcoin 4% up and it's staying near a crucial area, that is the $14,000 main resistance zone, $13,800 to $14,000. And next we have Ethereum 3.5% up, XRP 4% up, 4.1% up, Bitcoin Cash 1.8% up, Chainlink 1.3% up, Binance Coin 1.5% up, Polkadot 2.7% up, and Litecoin 3.8% up, and we have USD coin that's okay. So you can see this stable currency, that is USDC, is coming up in the rank in terms of market cap. So these are the gainers and most of them are in green, and Bitcoin is plus 4%, it's a top gainer. And if you see the top gainers in terms of past 24 hours, in top 100 we have Ample4 10.5% up, Ren 10.2% up, Nexo 9.7% up, Energy Web Token which is 8.5% up, and Raven coin. So these are the gainers, but slightly bullish, that's the thing. Most of the coins are recovering slightly. And if you, in terms of losers, no losers guys, minus 7%, then Kusam minus 3 points, so no losers in terms of past 24 hours. Okay, now let's analyze the Bitcoin technical analysis and Bitcoin price. So in terms of daily time frame, we have been discussing about these in the previous videos, like this broken, then we had another drop, then we broken this triangle, then now we are in the daily, we are forming it's like a upward channel, but it is you can see here it looks like this open upward channel, and we can go to 4 hour now to get more deeper into this. So this is in terms of 4 hour guys, you can see here. So we are still moving upwards. The trend is still upwards, and the trend is still bullish. But this is a crucial zone. We have been discussing about the Bitcoin price in the last videos, and you can see here this is one of the crucial areas, and we have got rejection from here during the previous uptrend, and we went to $14,000. Then we had a rejection, and we dropped back to around $13,000. We have dropped back to $1,000. Then we are gaining some momentum, and we again touched this level, that is $14,000, and we had a small rejection over here. You can see here small rejection from this area again, and this 20-day moving average, that's not 20-day, and this is 20 period, that is moving average is so acting as a small support over here. But you can see this is a huge area. This is a huge important zone. Another rejection has been happened, but this rejection, you can see it pulled back heavily. It had a rejection of 13,600. Now it is staying at 330,875. So which had a strong pullback. Let's see whether it had the capacity to break this level and this trend line. It is more important. So we need to break this trend line also, this upward channel, in order to go more upwards. So or else we'll be touching again this area in terms of support, and then we will be having some price movement over here, this support area, then we'll break again. So let's see how it behaves. But if you see now, Bitcoin is still bullish, but other macro factors are there. We have election in US, so this election will affect whether depending upon who wins, either Trump or Biden. So that is a macro scenario, macro perspective, but we don't know guys, because actually Bitcoin during past 2 months it is strongly correlated with stocks S&P 500, but now it is not correlating with the S&P 500. Now it is a little bit showing some decoupling of price from the S&P 500, but whether it is confirmed or whether it is fully decoupled or not, we don't know. And one more thing is this election, so there are lots of uncertainty. So depending upon the election result, depending upon after election results, you will be have some certainty, okay, this has happened, so the market will move accordingly. Now at this time it is it's very difficult in order to in order to predict the market, because there are lots of uncertainties over there. So depending upon that, it can move. But Bitcoin, if you look at the chart and if you look at only the technical analysis, it's still bullish. And in terms of this area, it has to broke this area. Now this is the most important area. If this breaks, we can expect a huge upward movement. So this is all about Bitcoin price. And next, the important part of this video we are going to see is about the Polka project. And the Polka project, we are going to choose this niche, that is data. So in the data projects, we are going to see one of the important project, that is Ocean Protocol. So Ocean Protocol is a different project. This is main, you can say, it's a marketplace for data. Everything about data. If you want, it's you can see here, a decentralized data exchange protocol to unlock data for artificial intelligence. So it is a marketplace where you can able to buy data, where you can able to get data. That is more important. So in terms of artificial intelligence and data sciences, in terms of artificial intelligence, they need more data in order to create different automations, different robotics things. They need data in order for them to create different different robots and different artificial intelligence. So the data is the main important thing, and it's a main important niche. And future, everything we need is data. Data will be having huge values. Every data you provide, that will be monetized. That is the more important thing. So let's see about this project. First of all, we can see the token, that is Ocean Protocol currency, and it is staying at $0.43, and it had a market cap, and it is now in top 100. So one of the important project, and it's quite you can say it's quite big, but it's not that much big. It is under top 100. And if you see the price, and it was staying around 0.067 during the start of this year, and it had a tremendous upward movement during the August bull run. That is August small bull alt season. We had oracles like Chainlink, Band there that performed well. During that time, Ocean Protocol also performed well. It made a high of $0.6. Then it had a huge dump to how much? $0.25. So $0.6 to $0.25. It has a huge dump. Then it moved upwards, and now it is staying at 0.5. Then it has a small drop, $0.42. So still it is minus 41.5% from all-time high. It's a huge important project, and you can wait for some consolidation in order to enter this project. And it is listed on top exchanges like Binance. So this is one of the important project, and what they are delivering is huge. And in terms of future, it is very much important in terms of future. That is, you can see here. So what is Ocean Protocol? Tool for Web3 data economy. So it's a tool for Web3 data economy. Use Ocean Market app. There's one app that it is a marketplace. You can get different data. Use Ocean Market app to earn by selling data and curating and staking on data. So it's not in other projects we'll be staking on currencies, we'll be selling currencies. This is mainly data. You can earn by, you can sell data and curating and staking on data. So use Ocean Protocol libraries to build your own app for secure, privacy-preserving data exchange. So you can use Ocean Protocol libraries to build your own app for secure, privacy-preserving data exchange. In Ocean Protocol, each data service gets its own data token. So each data service will have each data token, so own data token. For each data service, there will be a own data token. This enables data wallets, data exchanges, data co-ops, and by directly leveraging the crypto wallets, exchanges and more. So you will be having data wallets and data exchanges similar to the crypto wallets and crypto exchanges. So this is more important. And these are the different things we are working on. The data tokens, on-ramp and off-ramp for data assets into DeFi. So you can see this one first, and you can see here on-ramp and off-ramp for data assets into DeFi. Ocean makes it easy to publish data services, that is deploy and mint ERC20 data tokens. So you can able to deploy and mint ERC20 data tokens, and to consume data services, that is spend data tokens. You will be spending data tokens in order to get some data, in order to get some data services. You will be spending those data tokens. That is more important. Crypto wallets, exchanges, and DAO becomes data wallets, data exchanges, and DAOs. So everything regarding, okay, if you have crypto wallets, that will be converted, that will be become a data wallet. We'll be having exchanges, that here we will have data exchanges. So that is everything is Ocean protocol dealing with this data. And it's for artificial intelligence, that is more important. And data tokens or interface to connect data assets with blockchain and DeFi tools. So data tokens, how it will be acting as? It will be acting as an interface which will connect the blockchain and DeFi tools with data assets. Crypto wallets become data wallets. So crypto exchange becomes data marketplaces. So in the data instead of crypto exchanges, we'll be buying crypto coins. Here we will be buying datas. So crypto exchanges become data marketplaces, DAO for data co-ops, and more via DeFi composability. It is data Legos. The data itself does not need be on chain, just the access control. Ocean based apps make data assets on ramps and off ramps easy for end users. Ocean smart contracts and libraries make this easy for developers. So this is how it works, and you can see here they have mentioned how it works, and they have mentioned deeply into this. I am just going to show some overview. We can see data tokens are ERC20 tokens to access data services. Each data service gets its own data token, and you can access the data set if you hold 1.0 data tokens. So each data services will be for each data services you will be owning one data token. You will be owning data token. That data token will give access to data set. To access data set, you send one data token to data provider running on Ocean provider. To give access to someone else, send them one data tokens. That's it. So this is more important, guys. So to access some data set, if you want to access some data set, what you have to do is you have to send 1.0, that is one data token to data provider. You will be providing the data token for data provider, then you will be getting the data set. Or else you give access to someone else. If you want to give, as a data provider, if you want to give some access to someone else data, you have to send them the 1.0 data token. That's it. So you will be sending that data tokens, then they will be having access to the data. Because data tokens are ERC20 and live on Ethereum mainnet, where the whole ecosystem can leverage. So you can see it's mainly on Ethereum ecosystem. Most of the people can get easily access to these things. So this is more important, and you can have a look on this. They have mentioned clearly about the ownership of data, the right to sell data. So you will be having, so it's like an intellectual property, because every data is a copyrighted one. So you have to be aware of these things. And the next thing we are going to see is we have seen this on-ramp and off-ramp for data sets into DeFi. Next is data marketplace with blockchain superpowers. So this is that one. You can see more data provenance and earning opportunities. This is how it works. And as a data scientist or an AI practitioner, that is artificial intelligence practitioner, you can benefit from access to more data, including private data, crypto secured provenance in data and artificial intelligence training, and income opportunities for selling the data and curating data. So you will be getting certain income opportunities for selling the data and also curating the data. So as a data scientist is more important, and in terms of their work, data are more important. So you can also get access from more data in this marketplace. So you can see more data. Browse Ocean Market and other ocean powered markets to find more data to improve your AI models. Even access private data to run your artificial intelligence modeling algorithm against data which was previously inaccessible. So if you have certain data that is inaccessible, you can use Ocean protocol and Ocean powered markets in order to access those data. That is more important. Provenance, the act of publishing data, purchasing data, and consuming data are all recorded on the blockchain to make a tamper-proof audit trail. So everything is recorded. If you are buying some data or if you are selling some data, everything is recorded on the blockchain. So that is important. And you can earn by selling data and models, and by curating, that is taking that of others. We elaborate below how it works. Okay. Use Ocean Market to buy data, sell data, or curate data, or directly interface from Ocean Python library. For either, optionally use computer data for privacy. Okay. This is how it works actually. You can earn by selling the data and models. So you will be selling those data, and you will be getting more. You will be selling models, and how you can earn through this. And this is the different one, and you can staking on data and models. As a data scientist, you are well positioned to earn from staking on data. Ocean Market and other ocean powered marketplace will offer a lot of data for sale, which you can stake. And stakers earn more from data with high sales volume. Truly useful, useful data will emerge to have the highest volumes. As a data scientist, you have highly relevant skill to evaluate which data is truly useful. For example, you can buy promising looking data set to you can buy that, do model training on it, and see how well it helps accuracy. If it helps a lot, stake a lot of ocean on it. If not, don't. You have now allocated your ocean stakes towards the best data sets, a highly efficient allocation of the capital. So you can check. How you can check is, you can buy some data sets, you can buy some promising looking data sets, and do model and training on it. Whether you will be get satisfied whether it is okay. If it is everything is accurate, and it provides accuracy data, you can stake a lot of, you can stake ocean token on that particular data sets. So you regarding the high volumes, regarding the staking means you will be getting rewards as a transaction fees maybe. And you can see here stakers and more from data with highest sales volume. So if you see a particular data set has high sales volume, if you are staking on that particular data set, you will be getting more earnings. That is more important. So there are two ways to earn. One is selling data and models, and another one is staking on data and models. So it's the most important project, and you can see there are lots of things building on. And this is what mentioned here. And here you can see buy, sell private data while preserving privacy. Privacy is also there. So yeah, actually this is what deals with this one that we can see here. More data provenance and earning opportunities. This is what mentioned here, that is the data science. And in terms of the marketplace, you can see here, this is a data marketplace with blockchain superpowers. This is this one. So data marketplaces with the blockchain superpowers. Use ocean market, same thing, everything is mentioned here. Publish data, stake on data, and buy data earned by selling and staking or running your own fork of ocean market. Data as automatic price discovery. Data is published as interoperable ERC20 data tokens. So actually data has automatic price discovery depending upon the demand for that particular data set. And you can see data publishers monetize your data while preserving privacy and control. This is ocean, and it connects data consumers and data publishers. Buy data that you couldn't get before. That is a private data. That is more important, and everything is stored in blockchain. Everything is powered by blockchain, and you can have a look on these things. It is more deeply into this. You can earn by staking everything that is mentioned here. Automated price discovery. The given data asset AMM pool holds both ocean and the data token as a liquidity. Price is based on the ratio of ocean token versus the data tokens in the pool. If the data tokens are sold, then more ocean enters and data tokens leaves. So the data token price goes up, right? Yes. If more data tokens enter or ocean leaves, then the data token price goes down. This is how it works. This is purely depends on supply and demand of this, and it is interoperable on Polkadot ecosystem. Ocean powered market published buy, sell on consume data token, which are ERC20 tokens. Therefore, you can publish a data token in ocean market, store it in MetaMask, transfer it to DAO, and perform other DeFi operations. So it is interoperable, privacy preserving, and universal logging via Web3 wallet. So no further password or account management needed. Just using a Web3 wallet, you can log in it. So lots of things, and you can see over here, and they have mentioned how it works on AMM pools, earning fees in ocean powered data powered. Fees go to stakers, marketplace, and ocean community. So stakers will also get fees. Stakers, liquidity providers take cut off each data token sale. So each data token sale, you will be get a cut off. Fee staking brings both opportunity and risk. So you can have a look on this details here. You will be getting more about this one. You can go to Medium, and you can have such an ocean protocol on staking data in ocean market. So there will risk also. Everything is provided here. You can have a look on this, how it works, and lots of things they are working on. And you can see here everything related to data, and it's a marketplace for data. They are mainly concentrating on that, and this is what mentioned here. It's a marketplace, and buy, sell private data while preserving privacy. It's about privacy, and This is what we have seen previously, how it connects and how it providing provenance, and how it's how it is tamper proof, since it's everything that is buying and selling, everything is recorded on the blockchain. So lots of things. So this is the computed data. So buy and sell private data while preserving privacy. Everything is mentioned here. Data owners approve AI algorithms to run on their data. Computer data orchestrates remote computation and execution on data on to train artificial intelligence model while preserving the privacy of data. So it's everything related to artificial intelligence and related to how you compute the data. So that is more important. And next, what we are going to see is we are going to see this one. This is the Ocean marketplace where you can get data. So you have to connect your Web3 wallet, and you can connect. You can just click. So you can also connect the MetaMask wallet also, and you can see you can have a look on this. So marketplace to find, publish, and trade data sets in the Ocean network. You can search. For example, if you are searching cars, it will get you data related to cars. So you can see here there are 6 data sets. You can BMW used car pricings, complete big data file of all license plates in the Netherlands. So car make, model, year data. So everything you will get if you search something else like cars, and we can say something like robotics. So it shows 2 data regarding robotics: auto-driven robot upper body motion synthesis, and circular economy and digital technologies data set from German companies, 2019. So these are important data, and you can see the ocean pool, the number of ocean which is staked over this pool is 760.494 ocean. This is 10 ocean in this data. So lots of things you can select this one first, and you can see here. So you can buy. This buying if you want to buy this particular data sets, it will cost around, you can see 760. I think this is the ocean pool. You can see, have a look on this. See, it's a liquidity, and you can also, this is a pool creator liquidity, and it shows how many persons and how much it is stored, how much liquidity is there for this data. And here you can see MSc Sustainable Management student, and he published the data. So you can see this is the description of those data, what are inside this data sets. You can see over here. You can download a sample of this, and when it is created October 30, 2021. So lots of things this about the data sets, and it is very much needed in terms of artificial intelligence. So it is an ocean marketplace, the general ocean marketplace for the data sets. The highest liquidity pools also given over here. So consumer browsing data, it has the highest liquidity pool. You can see over here how much oceans are staked over this data. And new liquidity pools, these are the new liquidity pools. You can stake your ocean protocols, and you can get you can earn different oceans in terms of staking. So this is more important project, and in terms of the partnership, in terms of the collaboration we have, and you can see here's enterprise partners. They have Daimler, so important in terms of automotives. So Daimler is there, Dex Pride, Mobility Open Blockchain Initiative, Roche Diagnostics, XPRIZE, and Zulki. And then these are some of the enterprise partners and service partners. They have DAC, Protofire, and these are service partners. And ecosystem collaborators, Chainlink is there, so one of the important thing. Fabric Ventures, Filecoin, Gitcoin, and Singularity Net is there. Web3 Foundation. So these are some of the ecosystem collaborations and data launch partners. So it's a huge project, and it is from, you can see it's it's one of the important project in this Polkadot ecosystem and this ocean protocol. So very much important this project, and it now staying around $0.43. It can get more attention, and because everything in future, everything is data. Everything is data. We need data. So we need a data marketplace where you can buy and sell data. That is more important in terms of artificial intelligence, and in terms of future, in terms of everything, the industry revolution 4.0, Web3, everything we need data. So there is a market. There will be a marketplace for data where there will be huge demand for data. So this is a more important project in terms of future and in terms of Polkadot ecosystem. So you can have a look on this and keep this in radar. And in terms of the price, it is at $0.43. and it made a high of $0.78. But it, in my perspective, in my point of view, but it is you can say I can say it is still undervalued. And in terms of data, what they're delivering, I'm expecting a huge price discovery. It's a new project, so it started from 2019. I'm expecting a new price discovery, so during this bull cycle. So that's all for this video, and we have seen this about the Ocean protocol and an important project in the Polkadot ecosystem. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.